While you watch this, a silent crisis is unfolding across the globe. It's a story told not in words, but in melting ice and scorching flames. We see mountains of ancient ice, once mighty and unyielding, now weeping into the ocean. We see forests, the very lungs of our world, consumed by infernos that rage with unnatural fury. This isn't a distant future or a fictional dystopia. This is the urgent, unspoken reality of our time, a crisis that whispers in the wind and roars in the rising tides. It's happening now, on our watch, demanding our attention before the silence becomes deafening. Why is our world changing so dramatically? The answer is written in the sky, etched into the land. Look at the plumes of smoke billowing from industrial giants, a constant exhalation of progress at a steep price. Our atmosphere, a delicate shield, is being thickened with greenhouse gases, trapping heat and upsetting a balance that has existed for millennia. Observe the endless rivers of cars, each a small contributor to a colossal problem. Their emissions painting a hazy veil over our cities. Journey to the world's great forests, where the buzz of chainsaws signals the loss of vital ecosystems, cleared for agriculture and expansion. These are not random acts of nature. They are the consequences of our collective actions, the industrial-scale habits of a civilization that has taken its home for granted. The repercussions of this imbalance are stark and heartbreaking. Picture a lone polar bear, a majestic hunter, now adrift on a shrinking shard of ice, its kingdom dissolving into the warming sea. Plunge beneath the waves to witness the graveyards of the ocean, where vibrant coral reefs, once teeming with a kaleidoscope of life, now stand bleached and barren, ghostly monuments to rising water temperatures. Travel to the coastlines where historic cities and humble villages alike face the relentless encroachment of the sea, their streets submerged, their futures uncertain. Then, turn your gaze to the heartlands, where once fertile farmlands are baked and cracked by relentless drought, leaving farmers to stare at empty skies, praying for rain that no longer comes. These are not isolated incidents. They are interconnected symptoms of a planet in distress, a cry for help from the natural world. But despair is not our only option. In the face of this crisis, a new story is beginning to take shape, one of hope, innovation, and resilience. Across sun-drenched plains, vast farms of solar panels tilt their faces to the sky, harvesting clean, boundless energy from our nearest star. On windy ridges and coastal shores, elegant wind turbines stand as silent sentinels, spinning the power of the breeze into electricity for our homes and industries. In communities around the world, people are coming together, their hands in the soil, planting the seeds of new forests and restoring what was lost. Hope is not passive, it is an action. This is our moment to choose. We can be the generation that stood by and watched our world unravel. Or we can be the one that united, that innovated, and that acted with the urgency this crisis demands. The future of our planet is not yet written. Let us come together as one global community to protect our shared home and write a story of healing and renewal.